everyone, my name is Mutiara Zaskia Wijaya. Today I'm going to do my second project for sociolinguistic. It is about presentation. This is the outline for today's presentation. The first is speech act, the second is locution, and the third is elocution, and last is perlocution. I will start with speech act. Speech act is any utterance that perform an action as expressed through the speaker intention and its effect on the listener. Speech acts are fundamental to understanding how language function in social interaction because they show that language is not just descriptive but performative and action oriented. This is the example for speech act. The first is I'm sorry for being late, and the explanation is this utterance expresses the speaker regret or apology, which might lead to the listener accepting the apology or feeling reassured. The second example is can you pass the salt? An explanation is although it is phrased as a question, the speaker's intention is to request the listener to pass the salt. The effect might be that the listener actually passes the salt. Next, I will move to locution. Locution is the act of saying something. It is the actual utterance and its literal meaning. It involves producing a series of language sound or written words that have a specific meaning, focusing on the surface meaning of what it said, not the intention or the effect. So locution is only about the literal meaning of the utterance, not what the speaker wants to achieve or how the listener reacts. This is the component and example of locution. For the component, there is phonetic. It is the physical act of producing sound. There is hatic. It is the grammatical structure of the utterance. The last is rhetoric. It is the meaning or sense conveyed by the utterance. And next is component and example. Component of locution is phonetic. It is the physical act of producing sound. Second is pathetic, the grammatical structure of the utterance. And the last is rhetoric. It is the meaning or sense conveyed by the utterance. And for the example, there are two examples. The first is saying my head itchy, and the locution is the speaker is communicating that their hand is itchy. And example 2 is saying it's raining outside. The locution is the speaker is stating a fact about the weather. Next, I will move to the third material. It is elocution. Elocution refers to the intent communicative act performed by a speaker when making a utterance. It is not about just the literal meaning of the words or locution, but about what the speaker is doing with those words, such as making a request, giving an order, making a promise, or issuing a warning. This is the type of elocution. There are 5 types. The first is representative. It is commit the speaker to the truth of something. Second is directives. It is try to get the listener to do something. The third is commissive. It is commit the speaker to a future action. The fourth is expressive. It is express the speaker feeling or attitude. And the last is declarative. It is change the reality via the utterance itself. Next, I will move to the last material. It is perlocution. Perlocution is a type of speech act that refers to the effect or response produced in the listener by a speaker utterance. This effect can be intentional or unintentional. Essentially, it's about how the listener is affected or what they do in response to the speaker words. This is the example and the importance of perlocution. For the example is a mother says to her daughter, "It's almost dark dear, enough playing and get inside the house or you will see a ghost." The perlocutionary effect is that the daughter becomes scared and goes inside. The importance of perlocution is perlocution highlight how language function in social interaction by showing how utterance influence behavior, emotion, or thoughts in real context, and also they show that meaning is not just about what is said or intent, but also about how language affects social relationship and action. I think that's all from me. I hope my explanation is helpful for everyone. Thank you so much for the attention. See you in another project.